Hello, Kwa. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Kwa?
I'm good.
Wow, that's very good to know. And did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So, now are you ready for our new lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay, so now can you please read what is the title of our lesson?
Unit 11 Sports.
Okay, very good. So Unit 11, sports. So when we say sports, do you have any idea what sports are? Can you share?
Sports on similar.
Mhm.
Uh, sports is football, volleyball, and basketball, and
Okay,
more.
very good. Football, volleyball, basketball, and any other games that we play. So, yes, very good. So, these sports, so these are the physical activities or physical games that most people play, especially for those who are active, especially in sports. If you love sports, you are called as sporty. So these are the people that plays football, volleyball, basketball, and other games that requires physical activity. And actually, there are also sports that doesn't require physical activity, like chess. Chess is also a sport, considered as a sport. So that
Yes.
yeah, so that is sport. So now, um, what is aside from playing chess, what is the sport that you play? Aside
Sport.
aside from playing chess, what are the other sports that you play?
Yeah.
Yes. Aside from playing chess, what are the other sports that you play?
I play chess.
Aside from chess. When we say aside, except from chess, any different sports that you play?
Play sport.
Yes. Do you play any other sports other than chess?
Yes.
Yes. What are those sports?
Is basketball
Oh, okay.
and football.
Oh, basketball and football. Wow, that's good. So you are sporty. Okay, that's very good. So for that one, when we say again sport, it is the games that we play. Okay, so now let's again focus on our lesson objectives. We have vocabulary, new words, phrases, sentence that we can use to make a sentence, and reading and discussion. So, as usual, okay, so let's start with vocabulary. Okay, can you please read our first vocabulary word?
Play sport. Practice sport.
Okay, can you read the sentence that we have
We
here?
should play sports every day to improve our health.
Okay, very good. So this one plays sports. So playing sports, as what the sentence said, it is one of the things that can improve our health because we are doing some physical activities. So we are moving our body when we are playing sports like basketball, football, volleyball, badminton, tennis. So most of our body are working. That is why so it is important that our body is working because it helps our body to be healthy, and it helps us to become physically fit. So that is how we play sport. So when we say play sports or practice sports, it means to join and enjoy sports. It also, so when we say practice, it means to train or to repeat a sport for you to become better. So when we say play, so you already know how to play the sport. When we say practice, we do this to improve our skills in a certain sport. Like for example, when you want to play basketball and you want to be good at basketball, so you will practice for you to become good at doing or playing basketball. So that is our two phrases. Now, can you try to make a sentence using this phrase, play sports? Can you try to make a sentence?
Uh, I play sport every day.
Okay, very good. I play sport every day. How about practice sport? Can you try to make sentence using the word practice sports?
I practice my chess skill every day.
Okay, very good. So I practice my chess skill every day or skills every day. So very good. So that is playing sport or practicing sport. Next, let's go to our second word. So what is our second word?
Competitions.
Okay, very good. Competition. When we say competition, what do we mean by competition?
Is the uh champion.
Champion. Yes, very good. It's somehow similar to the word.
Teacher
Cha-
waits me.
oh, okay, sure. Go. Take your time.
Okay, teacher.
Finish now. Okay. So, okay, again, so when we say competition, it is similar to the world word champion, because when we say champion, you are a winner. So when we say competition, it is a game or a contest where people try to win. Like for example, for you, so you want to be a chess master in the future. So
Yes.
so you will join a competition for you to be able to contest other people that plays chess, for you to be able to improve your skills when playing chess. So you will join competitions. Okay. So have you ever joined a competition before? Qua?
Yes.
Yes. And what was it? What was
I
the competition?
I joined three competitions or chess
Mm. You joined three? Three?
competitions.
Oh, I joined three competitions.
Yes.
Oh, for chess. Oh, and how was it? Did you win in that competition?
Yes.
And is it like gold, silver,
Yes.
bronze?
Yes.
Oh, it's gold. Okay, so I won gold medal. Wow, that's very good. So that means that you are really good at playing chess. So that's it. That is competition. You join a contest where you compete with other players, especially like, do you know Olympics?
Yeah.
Yes, Olympics is one of the example of competition. So it is a game or it is a contest where different sport professionals are competing for them to win gold medal, silver medal, or bronze medalist. So that is competition. Next. Okay, before we go to our next page, so can you please try to make a sentence using the word competition?
I joined a competitions of chess last summer.
Okay, very good. So, join the competition of chess last summer. Very good. Next, let's go back. Let's go to our next page. So can you please read the word that we have here?
Winner.
Win, winner. Very good. So when we say win, winner, what do we mean by these words? Kwa.
Win is win a of a competitions. And
Okay.
winner is the person win of the competitions.
Okay, very good. So when we say win, it is to be the winner or to be the best in a game. And when
Yes.
yes, and when we say winner, it is the person who wins. So this is the concept and this is the person. Okay, so that is the difference. And we have another word here.
Loser.
Okay, loser. So we have here win, winner. What do we mean by loser?
Lose is not win.
Okay, very good.
And loser is the person lose.
Okay, very good. So for this one, again, lose means to not win in a game. A loser is the person who loses the game or the sport. So that is win or winner. So next, I have a question here with these two words. So since you've told teacher earlier that you've won gold medal for chess, so how did you feel to be a winner? How did you feel?
I feel happy.
I feel happy. And why do you feel happy?
I
I
feel
did.
happy because mm, I win the competitions.
Okay, very good. I won the competition. So very good. And how about have you ever lost in a chess game? Have you ever lost a game or have you ever lost in a chess game?
I feel
Yes,
medium. No,
Emilio.
no fun, no sad.
Oh, okay. When you feel lost or when you lost or when you lose, you will feel sad. Is that correct? You feel sad. But
Mm,
you feel sad. You will feel sad if you lost.
no,
I know why. Why will you not be sad? Because you have lost.
no,
No?
no,
Okay, let's start again the question. Have you ever lost a game?
no,
I know. Ever since like different games in basketball, football, or at school. There are games at
no.
school. You
I
don't
always win.
you always win. But if you ever lost a game, how would you feel? If you ever lost a game, how would you feel?
I feel normal
Mm, why would you feel normal?
because when I lose, I can have uh I can have
What 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 will you have? You will learn something.
Yes.
Yes, yes, that's correct. So you will feel normal because when you lose, you can learn something. And that's something that you will learn. So you will learn from it and you can improve by those learnings that you got from losing. So that is why we shouldn't be sad when we lose because it is as our stepping stone to be better, to be the best in the future. So that's it. Okay, so very good. That's so nice. That's a very good idea. Next, let's go to our next word. Can you please read?
Athlete.
Okay, one more time. Let's say athlete.
Athlete.
Okay. So when we say athlete, what do we mean by athlete? Kwa.
Athlete is is the person compare play
Yes,
at competition.
or competing. So that's it. So very good. So athlete, when we say athlete, it is a person playing or competing in a sport game. Like, for example, a person who plays sports. So you are pertained to as an athlete. Like for example, those who plays basketball, we can call them athlete because they play basketball. So when we say this one, a professional athlete, when we say this word professional, from the word professional, it is their professional work or career. Being an athlete is their career, their professional career. That is why it is called professional. Like those famous basketball players. They are called as professional athlete because being a basketball player is their career. They're professional, or what they do is being professional. Being a professional basketball player. So that is what we mean by professional. And for this one, Kwa, do you have a favorite athlete?
Mm, yes.
Yes, and who is your favorite athlete?
Is Magnus Carlsen.
Magnus Carlsen. Is this correct? The spelling? Oh, Carlsen. Okay, Magnus Carlsen. This one. Is this
Yeah.
correct? Magnus Carlsen. Okay, and why do you like Magnus Carlsen?
Because Magnus Carlsen is a champion of chess.
He's a champion in chess.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. That's so nice. And in the future,
Teacher,
Kwa. Oh yes, yes. What is?
uh, do you have a athlete?
Do you? I have a favorite athlete.
Yes.
Oh, I think my favorite athlete right now is uh the one who compete in the Olympics 2026 for figure skating. Do you know Alyssa Liu?
Can you write the name?
Alyssa Liu, this one. She's a famous figure skater who won gold medalist this year. I think this year, yeah. Let me show you some pictures. This girl. So she's a very good figure skater. So,
Yes.
yeah, she competed last, I think it's January. I don't remember the date or the exact date of the Olympics, but her performance is very, very good in figure skating. And if ever that I won't be a teacher in the future, so I want to try doing figure skating because I don't know how to do that kind of sport. But I think it's very cool because you can be able to skate in ice. But since there is no winter season here in the Philippines, so it is quite hard to practice ice skating.
Teacher,
So yes,
do you know how to skate on ice?
ro- no, I don't know how. That is why if I have a free time, I want to practice. How about you? Do you know how to skate in ice?
No.
I know. How
So
about
difficult. But
yes, it's so
I
difficult.
know but I know skate on the road.
Roller skate.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
And
quite
I can skate on the skateboard.
skateboard. Wow, that's very good. That's very nice. And also, I tried roller skating before. It's quite easy or better than ice skating. Because in ice skating it's very slippery, but in roller skate so you do it on the floor or on the ground. That's why I think it's quite easy than figure skating. Okay, so that's it. So that is about our athlete and about the professional athlete. Okay, so now let's move on to our next word.
Healthy.
Healthy, very good. When we say healthy, wow, what do we mean by healthy?
Healthy is the similar fine.
Similar to fine?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So when we say healthy, so it is being or to feel good and strong in your
Yeah.
body. So we are healthy if we can still do a lot of things without being sick. So that is being healthy, being strong, being good, being being healthy physically, mentally, and everything. So that is being healthy. So what do you know? What do we do? Kwa? What do we do to stay healthy?
We eat vegetable.
Okay, very good. So that is one of the common things that people do. So we eat vegetables to become healthy or to stay healthy. Okay. And for this one, we have here a phrase which means stay healthy. It means that for us to be healthy continuously. So
Yeah.
staying healthy. So it means that we take good care of our body. So we do exercise, we walk in the morning, or we do have a healthy routines like eating vegetables, eating fruits, and eating healthy foods, not junk foods. Now, Kwa, what healthy foods do you eat every day?
I eat salad.
Oh, salad. Wow, what kind of salad? What are the ingredients in your salad?
Uh,
Does it have tomatoes, lettuce?
yes.
Oh, what kind? Can you tell teacher what are the things or what are the vegetables that are in your salad?
Mm,
What are the vegetables that you put?
many.
How many? What are the most common vegetables that you eat in your salad?
I will say it's many vegetable.
Many vegetables. What are those common vegetables? Or
Mm,
what's
common
your
vegetable is the salad.
what kind of vegetables? Yes, you eat salad, but what kind of vegetables you commonly eat in a salad?
Mm.
What kind of vegetables? Is your favorite vegetable lettuce, tomato, potato? What's your favorite vegetable in the salad?
It's many.
It's
I
many.
don't know.
What's your most favorite? Most,
Is
yes. What's your most?
salad. Salad.
Yes, salad. What's your most favorite vegetable? You don't
Uh,
know vegetables? Oh no, you don't know the name of the
is
vegetables?
carrot.
Okay, carrot. Carrot is your favorite? Most favorite?
Yes.
Okay, wow, that's very good. Carrots is very delicious. You can eat it raw. Okay, very good. So good job. So that is being healthy. So we take good care of our body. Next, let's have another word here. Can you please read the word?
Keep fit.
Keep fit. Very good. When you say keep fit, wow, what do we mean by it? Keep fit.
Is the keep the body
Yes, keeping body.
civil same.
It's keeping body slim. Very good. So when we say keep fit, it's keeping or staying our body to stay our body strong or slim or fit by doing exercise. And also keeping let me just put this one. Keeping fit of our body, it means to stay being healthy or to be healthy in general. So keep fit. So again, um, do you have do you have things that you do to keep fit? Do
No.
you, you don't do exercise?
Yes.
Really?
But I go for a walk every morning.
Oh, that's it. That's your exercise. You go for a walk every morning. So that is considered as the thing that you do to keep fit. Because walking is a common exercise that most people do, especially walking in the morning. So if you walk, so you move all of your body. So it exercises your body in general. So that's it. So keeping fit. Okay. Okay, so wow. So we have finished the vocabulary part. So now let's have some question here that we have. So can you please read the first question?
What does play sports mean?
Okay, what does play sports mean for you?
Is mean football, basketball, chess, and many sport
Okay,
uh, activity.
and what do we do? What do we do with the sports? Do we watch the sports? Do we play the sports? What do we do? It means
We do
to so
play.
play. So it means to play football, basketball, chess, and any other sports. Any other sports. So that is Playing sports. Very good. How about what does this one? Can you please read the second question?
What does practice sport mean?
Okay, what does practice sports mean?
Is mean play sport to improve
Okay, very
our
good.
our body.
Is it our body?
Yeah,
Our body or skills?
skill.
Okay, so it is mainly to improve our skills in a specific sports. So when we play sports, we improve our body. But if we practice sports, it means to improve our skills in doing the certain sports. Okay, so nice, nice. Next, can you please read our third question?
What is a competition?
Okay, what is a competition?
Competitions is a champions.
Okay, competition. Are you sure it's the champions?
Is a
When we say champions, those are the person who wins. What do we mean by competition? Competition
is the mm,
is we call it as a contest. A competition is a contest or a game where people try to win. So when we say champion, it is the people itself who wins the competition. But competition is the contest. Okay. Okay, so next, number 4.
what does win mean? Who is the winner? Win is mean win a competition. Winner is the person win the competition.
Okay, very good. Who wins in the competition? Okay, very good. Win means to win in a competition or to be the best in a competition. Winner is a person who wins in the competition. How about lose and loser?
Lose is the lose is not win and loser is the person who lose a competitions.
Okay, very good. So loser is the person who loses the competition. Okay, very good. Next, how about this one?
Who is a athlete
Okay, who is
is the person play a competition.
person who plays competitions or simply they play sports. So those are athletes. How about professional athletes? What do we mean by professional athlete?
It's the very good athlete.
Okay, is it a very good athlete? Are you
Mm,
sure?
yes,
Okay, it can be a very good athlete, but when we say professional, so it means or it is connected in the career. When we say professional athlete, it is the person who has the career of being an athlete or playing sport is his or her career. So he or she earns money by doing or playing sports. So that is a professional athlete. Okay?
yeah,
Yes. So it is connected to the career itself of the athlete. game. So next, how about this number 7?
What does healthy means?
Okay, what does healthy means for you?
It is mean very strong.
Okay, it means very strong. Okay, very good. It means very strong or feeling strong or good in your
Yeah.
body. And what do we do to become healthy?
We do morning exercise. Eat
Yes.
is eat healthy food
Okay.
and
Okay.
go to bed early.
Okay, very good. So yes, those are the things that we can do to be healthy or stay healthy. Wow, that's very good.
But
Next.
I'm not healthy because
Oh,
I studying online, so I'm go to red late and I'm
oh,
not healthy.
oh, you're still healthy because I think you sleep like 8 hours a day? Do you sleep 8 hours a day?
Yes, no,
No. So your sleep is kinda not
because
sleep. Mm.
I need to go to my teacher house to study.
Ah, really? What time?
Yeah,
What time do you go to your teacher's house?
in the morning.
Ah, what time? Like 6 a.m. in the morning?
Yes.
Oh, that's so
How did you
early.
know?
Oh, because because our school before starts at 6, early in 6 in the morning. That's why that's why I thought that it will be the time that you will go to your teacher. Oh, that's so early. And what time do you go to sleep?
Mm. After this class,
Oh, after this, so it will be 10 p.m. 10,
I
11.
think I think I go to bed at
Oh, you
I think go to bed at
11 or 10? 10 p.m.
12 o'clock.
Oh, 12. What do you do after class, after our class? What do you usually do?
I brush my teeth and wash my face and do many things.
Oh, you should sleep right away after brushing your teeth because you need more sleep. But since you're still young, so it will still not be a big effect on your body. So while you're still young, so make sure to have a healthy routine, especially your sleep. Because when you get older, so you will get lesser times of sleep than you are in this age. That is why enjoy your enjoy your childhood, enjoy your time that you are still young. Because when
Yeah,
you yes, when you get older,
but
the
I don't know how to go to bed early.
really you cannot sleep early.
Yes,
Oh,
because I'm very like go to bed late
oh,
because
so
I can do many things.
so your body like your body sleeps every day at 12 a.m.
Yeah,
Your body gets used to
my
sleeping.
parents go to bed very late.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh, so they also sleep 12 a.m.?
yeah,
That's why.
because my mom have very uh, my mother
Mm-hmm.
has many things to
Mm,
my mother must to do.
okay, that's why. Yeah, like what I've said. So when you get older, you will have a lot of things to do. That's why you cannot sleep earlier than before that you are young. That's why while you're still young, you must take your sleep routine seriously so that you will practice or you will be able to still experience sleeping 8 hours a day. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so now let's have our last question. This one. Uh, okay, can you read our last question?
Keep fit means we keep our body slim.
Okay, very good. So keep fit, it means that we keep our body slim or to stay strong, healthy, and slim by doing exercise. So that is being fit. Okay, so that's all for our vocabulary. So now let's go with our reading and discussion. Okay, can you please read the title of our.
Teacher,
Oh, yes.
why always Peter?
Huh? Oh, I always Peter. I don't know. I don't know why. I'm also confused why they always use Peter.
It's
Okay, well,
always Peter.
yeah, it's always Peter and Lan. I always, I always, what do you call that? I always see their names, especially in reading and discussion. Okay, now let's read the title of our this one.
Peter talks about playing sports. I
Mhm.
have had a patience for playing sports since I was a little boy. When I was little, I often played football on the road with the children in my village. We played every afternoon. Now I am busy, but I play sports every day and I play many kinds of sport such as, such as football, table tennis, and swimming. Playing sports is good for both mental and physical health. It not only helps me be strong, but also helps me reduce stress and feel relaxed. Football is the most favorite sport of mine. I can play football continuously for nearly uh, 90 minutes without feeling tired or exhausted. I play football with my friends twice a week. I would like to try playing tennis or golf. Actually, I have never played them, and when seeing other players and other people play them, I feel very interested. But as you know, they are the sports which cost a lot of money to play. We can also learn many good things of playing sports. First, we can learn how to work or cooperate with our teammates to achieve a common goal. Second, we can learn to accept failure. Thought we have tried a lot, which is a valuable lesson in life.
Okay. Very good. Okay, so now let's again read the things that you mispronounce. Let's first have this word. Can you please again read this word?
Passions.
Okay, very good. So you said earlier patient. So this is passion. Passion.
Yes.
Very good. Next, can you read this one?
Cooperate.
Okay, one more time. Let's say cooperate.
Cooperate.
Okay, next.
Achieve.
Okay, achieve. Very good. Next one.
Accept.
Okay, one more time. Let's say accept.
Accept.
Okay, perfect. Next is.
Failure.
Okay, one more time. Let's say failure.
Failure.
Okay, perfect. And next is.
Touch.
Okay, one more time. Let's say though.
Though.
Okay, so that's it for our story. So now let's answer some questions that we have here. Can you please read our first question?
Does Peter love sports scenes? When?
Okay, does Peter love sports?
Yes, he is.
Okay, since
Since he was a little boy.
very good, since he
What
was.
are Peter's favorite sports?
Mhm,
Peter's favorite sport is uh football,
very good. Peter's favorite football are only football.
uh table tennis, swimming. What are the benefits of sport to health?
Okay, very good. So actually, yes. So those are the favorite sport of Peter. His favorite sports are football, table tennis, and swimming. However, football is his most favorite sport of all time. Oh yeah, football. Next.
What are the benefits of sports to health?
Oh, what are the
It's
benefits?
good for both mental and
Uh-huh.
physical health.
Okay. It's good for both mental and physical health. What does it do? What does
It
what
helps
does
he be strong, but
uh,
also helps he reduce stress and feel relaxed.
okay, very good. Again, let's read this word. Let's say stressed.
Stress.
Okay, so again, so the benefits of playing sport is good for both the mental and physical health. So it makes him strong, reduce stress, and helps him feel relaxed. Okay, next. Next question.
Which sports does Peter want to try?
Okay, which sport?
Does Peter want to try?
Yes, which sports does he want to try?
Peter wants to try uh playing tennis or golf.
Okay, very good. So he wants to try tennis or golf. Next, the last question.
What can we learn from playing sports? We first we can learn how to work
Mm,
on a computer,
cooperate. One more time, I say cooperate.
cooperate with
Co-
our teammates to achieve a
okay, achieve.
achieve a common goal.
S-
Second, we can learn to
a-
accept
accept.
accept failure, though we have tried a lot, which is a valuable lesson in life.
Okay, one more time. Let's say failure.
Failure.
Okay, very good. So again, we can learn teamwork because we can cooperate with our teammates and we can accept failure and which is an important lesson in life. Okay, so next, so how about you? How about you, Kwa? When did you start? So since Peter, he said that he started playing sport when he was a little. How about you? When did you start playing chess or sports?
I start playing chess when I was in grade 3.
Grade three. Wow, that's so early. How about basketball and football? When did you start playing basketball or football?
Mm, I start playing basketball when I in grade 5, but I play basketball only on years
Only 1 year. Okay, I see. Why? Why did you play basketball only for 1 year?
because I feel play basketball is very hard.
Okay, yeah, that's why. Okay, and that is right because if you don't like what you are doing, you should stop and not push yourself to do it again. Wow, that's so very nice. Okay, how about so I think since I already know what your favorite sport is, um for sports, how do sports or other activities helps you relax? Or what are the benefits of sports to your health? For you, Kwa, what are the benefits of sports to your health? What are the benefits of playing chess to you?
Uh, just make me relax and it both benefits of sport to health.
Okay, I see. So yeah, that's good. So how about is there a sport? Is there a sport you have never tried but want to try?
Uh, I
Is there
want to I want to try. I want to try.
what do you want to try? Do you want to try
I don't want to
volleyball?
try.
Huh? You don't want to try
I
anything?
I want to play on. I want to play only chess
Mm, only chess?
and football.
Oh, okay. I see. I see. So you only want to play chess or football. Wow. Okay.
Yes,
So very, very loyal to your own sport. Okay. Next, from playing a chess or competing to contests, what lessons have you learned from playing chess? Or
I
do you
learned. Uh,
learn? What do you learn from playing chess? Do you
I
learn?
I learn is
What do you learn?
I
I learn.
um
It's okay. Anything. Any learnings?
I I learn don't show mercy to the enemy
Oh, really? Why? Why should we? Why shouldn't we show mercy?
because if we mercy with an enemy, we can make a time to he attack against me and I lose.
It will be used against you. Is that right? Okay, I understand. Okay, that's good. So it's your own tactics. So that's good. Okay, wow. So great job for this one, Kwa. So let's just
Is
further. Mm, yes.
is the rules of chess.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's the rules of the chess to not show mercy on your enemy.
Yes.
Okay.
Time when I was in grade 4, I joined uh chess competitions
Mm-hmm.
and I
What
um
happened? What happened when you joined?
and I almost lost,
Oh.
but he excused for me and in the uh and I attack him and I take the win.
Okay, wow, that's a very good tactics. So you still did win even though you are close to losing. Wow, you are so very nice. Okay,
I
so
don't
that
know why does he excuse for me.
okay. So it's your time to win. So
Yeah,
he excused because it's your time to win. Okay. So now let's
and
uh,
and at at the and in that match
mhm.
he has only uh he has only 2 seconds to win, and
Oh.
he think he can win, and he take it from me.
Oh, okay. That's why. Wow, that's very amazing, huh? So you are close to losing, but you did
But when he move on move, he can has 1 second.
he has 1 second to move.
Yes,
Wow. Wow.
but he don't move because he don't think the move to move.
Uh-huh. Okay, I see. So wow, thank you very much for sharing one of your experience, especially in um competing in a competition and how you won that competition. Wow, that's very good. Okay, so since we are close to finishing, I think it's already our time. So I will just explain this further, explain this quickly.
Teacher,
Yes,
do you know how to play chess?
no, I only know how to play Dama. So
Yes. What
this
sport do you play?
sport that I play, actually, I'm not a sportive person. So I
But what sport do you want to play best, or you
uh,
like best?
I want to try playing, yeah, figure skating and also volleyball because my partner or my boyfriend plays volleyball and he's good at it. So I want to learn how to do it. That's why.
To you learn how to play
Volleyball.
It's volleyball, uh, and you can play volleyball with your boyfriend.
Yes, yes, that's it. But I'm really not a sporty person because I'm more of a reader. I just want to read some books rather than playing physical activities. I just walking. I do walking, but I don't think it's a sport. So that's it. I'm not a physical activity person. I don't
My
like.
dad can play volleyball very good,
Oh, really?
very well.
Wow. Wow, that's good. Also, my boyfriend competes in different places. That's why I want to learn, but my body doesn't want to learn. Okay, so wow. So for this one, Kwa, thank you very much for sharing a lot for this lesson about sport. I can see that you really had a passion for playing sport, for playing chess, especially how you share your experiences. So for this one, I will just explain this highlighted words quickly. So we had here had a passion for. We when we say had a passion for, it means that we love something very much for a long time. Like for example, you playing chess. You love playing chess. Next,
Yeah.
yes, mental and physical health. When we say mental health, it is how our mind feels. Physical health, how our body feels. Next, reduce stress. So we already had learned this one last time, but let's review this one. When we say reduce stress, it means to make our stress lesser. So we do something that can reduce our stress. Next is feel relaxed. When we feel relaxed, it means we feel calm or peaceful or peaceful. We are not worried or tired. So exhausted, when we say exhausted, we are very, very tired. And try playing tennis or golf. It means that to start playing tennis or golf for the first time. Okay, so that's it. So we finished our Unit 11 about sports. So good job, good job. So for this one, for you to be able to recall the things that we have learned, so make sure to review the lesson material that we have
Yes,
and,
yes,
and also
yes.
the reading part. Okay?
Cô bà teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you and good night. I'm also
Cô bà
sleepy.
teacher, cô bà teacher.
Bye bye.